Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back to my little jungle. Hello again everyone. Yes, orchids and plants are all out again. I took them out 2 days ago because the temperature get warmer, so I thought they would enjoy it for at least 2 days. But it seems like tonight our temperature is gonna drop down again, so I need to take them back inside the living room. But anyway, before I do that, I am going to share with you it's not it's my haul. My succulents haul last time when we went shopping, of course. Yeah. It's me. Yes, there's no way for me not to go at the garden section of every store we went to. So let's go see what I got from that shopping. Yes, but before that, I'm gonna show with you, of course, look. It's getting bigger and bigger. The buds are getting bigger and bigger. Can't wait for this to bloom. I'm so excited. And look here, I got 2 buds already. 2 blooms already. This one just opened 2 days ago too. And this one here, all right. Look how pretty they are. Yes, I love this color so much. I'm not sure what color these are, but this here, I think this is the burgundy one. It shows outside. And this, I am not sure, but I think it is almost the same as this one. It's just this one has a speckles. So we'll see. I'm just so excited, you know. Okay, let's go now here. And these are the succulents that I'm trying to tell you. Not that, that's my arrangement. Ta-da! There you go. Well, I should have took them out, pull them down here. But anyway, I'm just gonna show you how much I get them. See? That is the real price of that. And then I asked that lady if she could give me a discount for this, because look at the leaves. And she said she could, so that's how much she gave me. See, I saved $6.72. Same thing with this one. Remember the haul that we did last month at the other store? It cost me $72, but this here, look at these. I only have 5, at least, I guess. No, not 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for that price. And look at this one here. See, I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different types of succulents in here. And I only paid $2.49 for that. Ooh, I bumped the other one. Same thing with this one. And look, that is the price of that. And this one too, I only paid $2.49 for this. Let's take it. See? Yep. Yeah, there are 5 types of succulents here too. See that? And I paid $2.49 for that. Yep. And this one here, it is so full. See, I have a bunch of pops. Oh no, the pot is so heavy. I can't take it. My left hand's not that good anymore. Even it's not working, y'all. So I'm just gonna tilt my camera and show you how it look at the bottom. See, That's how it look. It's such a good one. This here, it also has a bunch of pop. Let's move this a little bit. See that? Yeah, that lady in that store, she always give me a good deal with the plants. That's why I always get more. See that, how pretty that is? And there's more. I'm gonna show you. This is a plant. Ta-da! That's how much I paid for that. And that's how much it cost. That's the real price. Yeah, this is a pothos. Yeah, I asked her again. I asked her, this is actually the first plant that I asked her if she could give me a discount. The one that I am holding was the one that's there's only few leaves that has a burnt. It's not so visible. The burnt is not so visible. I asked her, hey ma'am, can I please can I have a discount for this one? And she said, look, I can give you a discount, but to those plants that has burnt on their leaves. So I thought, oh, not a problem, let's go find one that has burnt. And this one here is the one that doesn't have too much burn. This, if you can see, these are the only ones that has burned. This is a burn from being outside of the weather. So, and it's all right because this plant just grow like crazy. Look at this. This is unfurled already. It just unfurled. It's still furled like this one. Last time it's still like this. Now it unfurled already. So it's growing good already here with my care. But they trim it here. See, they already made a trim. But look, look, they trim it here, and see that I already have a new growth here popping up. So this is really a good plant to those beginners. So if you would like to buy, you can go buy pothos. And even though these look like bitten up so much, look, there's a new leaf coming out here. It's coming out everywhere of this one. And those ones that are already trimmed, those like the one I showed you, see here, this here, yeah, that's a burnt leaf, and they trim it, but look, it's trying to pop off. Did I say off? Pop out. Yeah, see, and there we go, there's more in there. So I am so happy I got these babies. Plus the really thing I really like that haul are this one. Because they're gonna be on my next succulent arrangement. Same thing with these. You know, I've seen this. This is the real price. If you are gonna buy these online, this price is just half of it. So I am so fortunate I got these two. So, and I have a bunch of pops. Anyway, yeah, like I said, they're gonna be on my next succulent arrangement. If you remember my last video, I unboxed the figurines my husband bought me. So I have 2 more figurines that arrived yesterday, and I am not sure if I'm gonna show it unboxing again or not, but I think not. I'm just gonna surprise y'all. So that's all for today's video. I'm so happy that I have the succulents again to make a new arrangements, and I am so happy too that you guys are loving my arrangement. I am new with this hobby, with the succulent hobby. I just started like what, few months ago, but look, I'm gaining so many already, and I have more propagations at the other side of this porch. So anyway, thank you so much everyone for watching my videos, and I hope that you don't get tired supporting me. And I also would like to extend my thanks to my cactus family, and of course to my channel members, my joiners. Thank you all so much for your support and for trusting my channel. And so that's all. Thank you all so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.